You might have heard of expressions like your network is your net worth, or you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with the most. Basically, expressions alluding to the fact that you're gonna become whoever you generally hang out with. And I happen to believe those are true statements. The quality of the friends you keep around you can definitely have an effect on you. For example, if you hang out with mainly ambitious, cultured, educated, fit people, you're probably gonna end up being one of them. On the other hand, if you hang out with mostly lazy people, you're probably gonna become a lazy person too. So I do believe that if you wanna have a fruitful, successful life, you need to be careful of who you hang out with. You need to cultivate a circle of high quality friends, of high quality people. And by high quality people, I mean those who take care of themselves and take care of the people around them. Generally, those who are educated, cultured, well-traveled, ambitious, those who take care of themselves physically and mentally. And a lot of people have trouble finding these type of people. Well, thankfully, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the top 5 ways you can meet high quality people and make some high quality friends. And I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna dive into that right now. So one way to meet high quality, interesting people is to attend meetups and networking events. Choose an industry or a function that you're interested in and attend networking events and meetups associated with that function or industry. So for example, if you're into real estate, go to real estate networking events, meet other real estate investors or realtors. Or if you're into sports, accounting, boating, medicine, whatever the industry, whatever the function, attend a networking event or meetup once a month so you can meet other like-minded people who are also looking to meet others, network, and connect within the industry and within the community. Chances are when you go to these networking events, you're gonna be meeting other people who happen to be ambitious, and that's gonna help expand your social circle to include more high quality people. It is not the lazy, unambitious person that goes to these networking events or meetups. Typically, these are top-notch people looking to also expand their influence in the community, expand their influence in the industry, and you can be a part of that community too. Similarly, another thing you can do is to attend conferences and conventions. High quality people tend to look after things like their finances or their health. So attend conventions and conferences on personal finance, wealth generation, fitness, health. Heck, even attend a Tony Robbins event. The people who go to these things are trying to look after themselves and look after the people around them. And that's a marker of a high quality person. There are conferences all year round, all around the world that you could attend where you can meet other high quality individuals. So there's no excuse. Attending these conferences may cost you a few dollars, but it's a worthwhile investment. With that in mind, another thing high quality people tend to do is they take care of themselves physically, they take care of their bodies, they try at least to stay in shape. So go to a place where people who want to stay in shape tend to congregate. And that would be mainly gyms and fitness centers. So if you don't have a membership to a local fitness center, maybe consider getting involved. Buy a 1-year membership and you'll probably meet a lot of high quality people at the gym that also want to take care of themselves physically, also want to stay in shape. Fitness centers might not necessarily be the best place to meet people, mainly because when you're doing your workout, you're kind of focused on the workout. You're not really focused on meeting others. But over time, you will meet people at the gym. I've met people at my gym, for example, and they've all been very great, high quality people that I'm thankful to have in my life. All right, I got a couple more points I want to go over, but before I do so, I want to let you know that whether you've seen my content before or this is the first time viewing one of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I come out with other great and similar content. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and smash that like button. YouTube likes it when people like my videos. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. So go ahead and smash that like button. And yes, I am on Instagram, so feel free to follow me there too. All right, the fourth thing that you can do, and this is particularly true for those who are professionals, is to join professional associations. So if you're a doctor, if you're an accountant, if you work in finance, if you're an attorney, join an association, a professional association within your field. You know how much work it took to get where you are in your career. And chances are, if you were to meet someone in your field, they've also put in that work. And therefore, chances are, you're probably gonna find a lot of high quality people in these professional associations. You wanna go to where high quality people tend to congregate And professional associations tends to be one of them. So whatever field you're in, whatever career you're pursuing, join a professional association affiliated with that career or field, and chances are you're gonna meet a lot of high quality people within that professional association. All right, and the last thing you can do to meet other high quality people, to make some high quality friends, is to frankly ask the high quality people that you know already to introduce you to others like them. So if you have one or two friends in particular that you really like, that you admire, ask them to introduce you to some of their friends and become acquainted with some of the people that they hang out with. I know a lot of you might not hang out with a lot of high quality people, but think of the one or two people that you admire most within your social circle. And like I said, ask them to introduce you to people who are like-minded. Try to hang out with them and their social circle a little bit more. And I think that's probably the easiest and the best way to meet other high quality people, is to just ask. Ask the people you already know and trust to introduce you to other high quality people. But what do you think? Have you ever tried to change your circle of friends to include more high quality people? What have you done to meet other people? Let me know in the comment section below. And have I missed anything? Do you have an idea as to how to meet more high quality people? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Like I mentioned earlier, whether you've seen my content before or this is the first time viewing one of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I come out with other great and similar content. And if you like the video, go ahead and smash that like button. YouTube loves it when people like my videos. It helps a lot with the algorithm. So go ahead and smash that like button. And yes, I am on Instagram, so feel free to follow me there too. Thanks everyone. Talk soon.